Denji and Power are having a pickup line competition, and they keep trying to get me to participate.
Oh? Tell me one.
No way, man.
Come on, it can't be that bad.
Did it hurt when you fell from heaven? 'Cause you look like an angel.
I told you our competition was important!
I'm never doing anything again. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. While you're here, why not check out another video? Or you can find the artist who made this comic by clicking the link in the description below.